How to add a debit card to Samsung Wallet. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to add your debit card to Samsung Wallet in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to make contactless payments or organize your cards digitally, this guide will help you get set up in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Samsung Wallet app. First, open your Samsung Wallet app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play and sign in with your Samsung account. Step 2. Tap the More button or go to Cards. Once you're in, tap the More icon at the bottom or select Add Card under the Card section. Step 3. Select Credit or Debit Card. Now choose the options to add a credit or debit card. Point your phone's camera at the card to scan it automatically, or enter the details manually. Step 4. Verify your card. After entering the card info, the app will ask for verification. This is usually done through a code sent via SMS or via your bank's app. Step 5. Accept the terms. Carefully read and accept the terms and conditions from both Samsung and your bank to proceed. Step 6. Set up a security method. You'll be asked to set up authentication, like your fingerprint, face scan, or a PIN. This step ensures your payments are secure. Step 7. Ready to use. That's it. Your debit card is now added to Samsung Wallet and ready for contactless payments using NFC. And that's it. This was the quick tutorial on how to add a debit card to your Samsung Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.